Good morning, students. We are going ahead with some more important questions in trigonometry. First question we are taking is tan 56 degrees is equal to cos 11 plus sin 11 over cos 11 minus sin 11. Tan 56 degrees can be written as tan 45 plus 11. Using the formula tan x plus y, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y, we can solve this question. Tan 56 is written as tan 45 plus 11, tan 45 plus tan 11 upon 1 minus tan 45 tan 11. Tan 45 we know is 1, 1 plus tan 11 upon 1 minus 1 into tan 11 will remain tan 11. Let us convert tan 11 into sin and cos. We get sin 11 upon cos 11 upon 1 plus sin 11 upon cos 11 divided by 1 minus sin 11 upon cos 11. Take LCM, it becomes cos 11 plus sin 11 upon cos 11 minus sin 11. Cos 11 in the denominator get cancelled out. We get the answer tan 56 is equal to cos 11 plus sin 11. Next question we are taking is tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus 2 tan 50. How can we prove tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus 2 tan 50? Now first of all we are taking tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. So using the formula tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y, we can convert this tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50 upon 1 minus tan 20 tan 50. If we cross multiply, we get tan 70 1 minus tan 20 tan 50 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. So multiply tan 70 inside the bracket, we get tan 70 minus tan 20 tan 50 tan 70, and right hand side will become tan 20 plus tan 50. Now we know that tan 70 can be written as tan 90 minus 20, and tan 90 minus 20, we know the formula of tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and we also know that tan and cot are reciprocal of each other, so tan theta into cot theta will become equal to 1. So this side will become tan 70 minus tan 20 tan 50 and cot 20 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. Now this tan 20 and cot 20, you can see they are going to cancel out. We will be left with tan 70 minus tan 50 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. We transfer minus tan 50 on the right hand side, we get tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50 plus tan 50, that is tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus 2 tan 50. Next question we are taking cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to under root 2 cos x. How we are going to solve it? There are two ways of solving it. One of the way is cos x plus y. We know is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Cos pi by 4 plus x can be written as cos pi by 4 cos x plus sin pi by 4 sin x. This is basically cos pi by 4 minus x is written first, and then we are writing cos pi by 4 plus x, because when it is plus the sign will be minus, when it is minus the sign will be plus. So no problem, whichever we can write first, hardly matters it with plus sign. You can write the second one first and the first one second. So it is cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x. You can see sin pi by 4 sin x, sin pi by 4 sin x, plus and minus sign, they will cancel out. We will get cos x cos pi by 4 cos x cos pi by 4 twice cos x cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 can be written as 1 by root 2. We know cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. We get the answer root 2 cos x, which is our solution. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x sin y is equal. We are using this formula. In this formula In this question we use this formula cos x plus y, cos x minus y. In this we are using this formula cos x minus cos y. See, we can use the same formula over here also. I am just telling you another method. This method is going to solve your question still faster. So you should know both type of methods. In this formula we are using cos x minus cos y. We know cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x sin y. What we consider as x we consider as 3 pi by 4 plus x, and y we consider as 3 pi by 4 minus x. So what do we get? Minus 2 sin, add them, first add them, divide by 2, then subtract them and divide by 2. The sign changes, minus 3 pi by 4 and minus will become plus. You can see that x and x get cancelled out. 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, double of to 3 pi by 4 and 2 divided, which will remain 3 sin 3 pi by 4 with minus 2, and over here 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 cancel out. X and x becomes 2x, divided by 2 it becomes sin x. So sin pi minus theta is equal to plus sin theta. Pi minus theta is in second quadrant and sin is positive in second quadrant, and there is no ratio change for pi minus theta. These are the basics we have studied and discussed earlier also. So what do we get? 2 sin pi by 4 sin x. 2 in place of pi by 4 we write 1 by root 2. In place of 2, root 2 into root 2 sin x as it is. Root 2 and root 2 get cancelled out. We get minus root 2 sin x. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear to all the students? I hope these two methods you can use. Whatever method is suitable, you can learn those methods and solve the question. I would like that if you do this question using the formula cos x plus cos y, this question using the formula cos x plus y, cos x minus y, again you will get the same answer. You can interchange the method and practice it in that way also. There is another important question that we are discussing with you in this session. We are discussing all those questions which are important for examination point of view and might come to you. Since they are not very difficult questions, they might come in multiple choice question format and you can solve them very easily. They appear to be defeating questions, but they are not really very difficult questions. Once you understand them, you will be able to do it in just very few minutes. So let us go ahead and start these questions. First, what we need to prove is tan pi by 4 plus x upon 2 plus tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to 2 sec x. Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. So, and tan x minus y is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. What is tan pi by 4 plus x upon 2? It will be tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x upon 2 using this formula. You can see in place of x we are writing pi by 4, in place of y we are writing x upon 2. What is pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45 degrees, tan pi by 4 is tan 45 and tan 45 we know is 1. So this is going to reduce to 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x upon 2. Now we come to tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. What is tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2? We use this formula tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. In place of x we are using pi by 4 and in place of y we are putting x by 2. So tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2 becomes tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 2 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x upon 2. So tan pi by 4 upon minus x upon 2 will become tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x upon 2 1 plus 1 into tan x upon 2, that is it will remain 1 plus tan x upon 2 in the denominator. From 1 and 2 we put it in the left hand side. This is the left hand side. We are putting the value of 1 that is tan pi by 4 plus x upon 2 into tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. In the left hand side we get 1 plus tan x upon 2 upon 1 minus tan x upon 2 plus 1 minus tan x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan x upon 2. Let us take the LCM. They are cross multiplied. 1 plus tan x by 2 whole square, 1 minus tan x upon 2 whole square, and the denominators are multiplied. 1 plus tan x upon 2, 1 minus tan x upon 2. We use the formula a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Let us open them. This becomes 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2, and let us open this. This becomes 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2. See, 2 tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 is cancelled, 1 and 1 is 2. Then there are 2 tan square x by 2, we can take 2 common, 1 plus tan square x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. In denominator we are using a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 and tan square we are writing as it is. Now we must know this formula, that is cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus tan square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 is the formula of cos x. In place of this we can put, but this is reciprocal, so we can see we have to write it 2 upon cos x. Can you see, it is plus is above and minus is below, and the formula minus is above, plus is below, so it can be written as 2 upon cos x. And what is 1 upon cos x? Reciprocal of cos is sec x, so the answer is 2 sec x. So our solution, tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to 2 sec x. In this way we can solve this question. There are many questions in trigonometry that you go through R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma, and keep on practicing trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very important topic. Please don't leave it anyway. Whenever you get an opportunity, please solve few questions of trigonometry proving identities, or any way prove that questions, and keep on learning these formulas. Don't forget these formulas that we are using again and again. You know, these formulas are very important. Their application in class 12th is very much, and if you are having a sound background of trigonometry, I hope you will be successful in class 12th also. So students, I request you to complete these important questions in your copy. Stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you very much.